Hello hikers, welcome to African Hiker. I'm Anita and I make videos about various hiking trails in Africa and what to eat on those hikes. I am so excited. We are going to be hiking Fish River Canyon. I've been wanting to do this hike for such a long time. I can't even speak. We're going to be in the canyon for 5 days and 4 nights and we're actually leaving tomorrow morning. So I just thought, let me quickly show you what food I'm going to be packing. First up, we have breakfast. Breakfast is the usual. Chocolate oats. So here's my little booster mix that I'll be adding into the oats. In here I have collagen, I have chia seeds, I have ground hemp seeds and maca powder. So the maca powder, I've only started consuming that recently. It's supposed to give you energy and endurance, and since we are in the desert, I figured let me add it to this mix. It doesn't have a strong flavor, so it's actually quite nice. Unlike if you watch the other video, I tried the moringa powder and moringa tastes disgusting. You do not want to eat that in your oats. Just saying. It's healthy, but I've also got something special, freeze-dried fruits. These are actually from Forever Fresh. I have freeze-dried raspberries and freeze-dried strawberries. It's delicious. So this in my chocolate oats is going to be a heavenly morning. Maybe I'll even put actual chocolate in my chocolate oats and make like a chocolate berry pudding breakfast. Yum. If you must choose between freeze-dried and dehydrated fruit, go for freeze-dried. The process of freeze-drying is a lot gentler on the fruit, so it retains 98% of its vitamins and minerals and like its nutrients basically. And for second breakfast, I have an oat bar. Then lunch. Every day for lunch, I have wraps. Why? Because it's easy. So I am packing, try guess, what am I going to pull out here? Tuna. Yes, so 2 tunas. I've got a couple nut butters, almond nut butter, peanut butter, roasted macadamia, and cacao and macadamia. Yum yum. These are also for snacks. Raw honey, love honey, and freeze-dried eggs. Freeze-dried eggs. Yeah, like when I first heard of this, I was a bit skeptical. Very curious, but skeptical. It's actually very good. It tastes just like eggs. It tastes just like scrambled eggs. Exactly the same actually. So now I have a new protein to add to my meals. So I'm gonna have an egg wrap and some freeze-dried feta that I am testing out for Forever Fresh. I'm thinking maybe that can go with my egg, right? Maybe. I'll see. By the way, if you want to try any of the Forever Fresh foods, click on my link in the description. It won't cost you anything, but if you do decide to make a purchase, then I get a little something to help me with my hiking addiction. Thank you. And then dinner. Dinner is a lot of fun. So much fun. So the meal for the first night is prawn-inspired udon noodles. I'm so excited about this one. Have I said how excited I am about this one? So I've got the noodles. This is why this meal is first, because these noodles are heavy. Okay, they're 200 grams, but still. And then we have some miso. It's an open packet, I know, but we're just gonna risk it. That's all that's in here. Zucchini, shiitake mushrooms, onions, the miso, and then the noodles. And that's going to be dinner. Oh, there's also seaweed. There's kelp, a little kelp knot. I had, let me show you. There we go. It's getting cold. Little kelp knots. I don't know why it's white. Wow. Okay, so the sun set on me and I've got to refilm. This light is a bit bright. Second dinner is couscous. This is one of Forever Fresh's new hiking meals. The flavor combination is insane. It's magic in your mouth. Magic. Like this couscous makes me happy dance. And then maybe I'm gonna add some feta to the couscous, but I don't know. I really like it as it is. And I'll see what I feel like on the mountain. Not on the mountain, in the canyon. Third dinner, I have mac and cheese. I am the Forever Fresh guinea pig for this product. I'm trying out their mac and cheese. We're gonna see how it is. I'm just gonna find out in the canyon. And then for the fourth night, I have this little baggie here, and I'm excited about this. So I am making a vegetable lentil soup. I have some red lentils in this bag. I've crushed them so that they cook faster. And then I've also got some shiitake mushrooms. I'm using shiitake because they will add more flavor to the dish. And then I have a little stock cube in here. Can you see it? Yeah, some freeze-dried onion that I've also crushed and put in here. So this I'll put in the pot so that it can boil, because this is going to take some time to cook. And then I'm going to add this little baggie. In here I have some broccoli, some freeze-dried celery from Forever Fresh, baby marrow, and I have some onion. So that's all in this little bag. Those are my veggies that I'm gonna add. I'm also adding the Forever Fresh rice and lentils. I'll probably add a third of this packet depending on how thick my soup is. I love soup so much, and I'm very excited about this meal. It's gonna be so nice to have a nice rich pot of soup when it's cold at night. And also, you know, we're in the desert, so foods that hydrate are going to be beneficial. So that's my fourth night. And then my emergency dinner, it's the rest of the basmati rice and lentils. And then I'm going to have it with some brown onion gravy, fried soy chunk things. Oh, and in here, in this little baggie, I've seasoned it with some salt, some cumin, some coriander, just so that it's not bland. Yeah, that's all my dinners. All my dinners and a spare, just like all my lunches and a spare, because starving is not fun. One of the things that I really like about the Forever Fresh products is that it's whole food that is in here. Okay, just listen. Here are the ingredients for the couscous, which is, again, delicious. Couscous, cranberries, orange juice, pumpkin seeds, lemon peel, lemon juice, mint, parsley, olive oil, cumin, salt, and black pepper. That's it. Nothing else. I love that. It's things I have in my kitchen. I know what everything is. I like that. I like food like that. I like to eat whole foods. Let's move on to snacks. It's a science to get that ratio right, so that when you feel for something sweet, you have something sweet. When you feel for something salty, you have something salty. Because when you want something sweet and you don't have something sweet, it's a problem. A big problem. We don't want problems. The first snack is a bag of almonds and cranberries. This is one of the best combinations. Salty almonds and cranberries, yum on a hike. I have a packet of Oreos, balsamic vinegar, and Himalayan sea salt, roasted veggies, Endurance Raw Energy Bar. I really like this. It's made with real banana, real almonds. Remember, I'm into whole foods. It's not like banana bread, but like banana cake. Banana and coconut cake that is like hard. That's what this tastes like. It's yummy. Guava, dried mango, glazed ginger. More seeds. I've got seeds for every day. Chocolate. This was left over from one hike and this was left over from another one. This is what I used for the banana boats. Remember the banana boats? Halls. Crackers. These are just salty crackers. Mushroom biltong. Super C's. Those are all my snacks. Oh, let me tell you a secret, right? You know what you can do if you feel like dessert at night? You take your chocolate oats, put them in a bowl, a block of your chocolate, and pour the hot water in the bowl with the chocolate, mix it all up. It makes it like chocolate pudding. It's so good. It's so nice for like just a treat, like a dessert. Beverages, instant hot chocolate. If you can't tell, I like chocolate. I have tea. I've got 4 different types of tea. I packed hibiscus tea, chamomile tea, and peppermint tea. Also green jasmine tea, because we're all about the tea. Cup of soup. Got 2 packets of those, 2 packets of these. Remember, we're in the desert, we have to hydrate. So that's everything. That's all my food for a 5-day hike. And I leave tomorrow. Did I mention I leave tomorrow, like at 5 a.m.? Well, I hope this video gives you some ideas on foods that you can pack on your next hike. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you are inspired, and I hope you can like cook up a storm. I am freezing my butt off now. Goodbye.